Hello students, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine with grace of God. So let us start today's session. Join your hands and close your eyes. Let us recite Ganesh Slok together. Right? So let us start. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Okay students, as you all know, you can see on screen, today our session is number skill. Right? So today we are going to learn number skill, that is maths. Right? Now which number is on your screen? That is 5 1. बताओ 5 1 कितना होता है? 51. Very good. Once again 5 1 51. Okay, so let us start our work. I hope you have completed our last homework well. Right? So today we are going to learn 5 1 51. Okay, now 5 बनता है 1 का फ्रेंड बनके, तो होता है 51. राइट? फिर ये 5 हो गया 2 का फ्रेंड. राइट? तो क्या हो जाएगा? 52. वंस अगेन 5 2 52. thereafter ये 5 का फ्रेंड हो गया 3. So 5 3 53. What is this? This is 5 3 53. Okay. Thereafter ये गया and here it comes 4. Right? So 5 4 54. Once again 5 4 54. Okay. Now next हम पढ़ेंगे बुक में से. Right? So take out your book. Okay students, so I hope you all have take out your book. Right? Maths workbook. Right? Let us start. We have completed till page number, here it is not mentioned. Right? We have completed last time the reverse counting. Remember? Let us quick recall the number. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Till here we have completed. Today we are starting with 5 1 51. Once you just look at here, thereafter we will start it together. Right? First of all, keep your pencil lid on the red dot. Start from that. 1 slipping line, 1 standing line, and thereafter from here we are putting half curve, और आप उसको रिवर्स सी भी बोल सकते हो. Right? And one very easy, all of you know. Right? That is 1 standing line. So here it is 5 1 51. Right? चलो, now one more time. Keep your pencil lid here. Slipping line, standing line, and half curve. right? And standing line. 5, 1, 51. Okay, now without dot we are going to try, right? So keep your pencil here. 1 slipping line, thereafter standing line and half curve. This is 5 and 1 standing line. 1, 5, 1, 51. Okay, students, one more time. Slipping line, start from this side. 5, standing, half curve and standing line. So here it is 1, 5, 1, 51. Next time 5 to 52. So again keep your pencil lead on red dot. Start your car. We are going this way straight, thereafter take a turn and thereafter एक टर्न कर्व. तो 5. नाउ 2 हमें पता है कैसे लिखते हैं, राइट? सो दिस इज कर्व स्लैंट स्लीपिंग. सो 5 to 52. One more time. Sleeping, standing and curve. Curve, slant, sleeping. So 5 to 52. Now without dot we are trying. Once again start करो अपनी कार. यहाँ से हम जाएंगे straight. Thereafter turn. स्टैंडिंग लाइन में, thereafter स्लीपिंग लाइन में कर्व लेंगे. कर्व 5, 2 कर्व स्लैंट स्लीपिंग 52. करेक्ट. वन मोर टाइम. स्लैंट स्लीपिंग standing and curve. Thereafter curve, slant, sleeping. Okay, so it is 5 to 52. Okay, next हम पढ़ेंगे 5, 3. Okay, so keep your pencil. चलो अब आप लोग बोलो मेरे साथ. Sleeping, standing and curve. Thereafter 3 को हमने कैसे सीखा था? 1 सर्कल, हाफ सर्कल एंड थोड़ा बड़ा वाला ये नीचे का हाफ सर्कल. सो इट इज 5, 3, 53. वन मोर टाइम. 5, 3, 53. Okay, now without dot. 5, 3, 53. 5, 3, 53. Okay, students. Now 54. 5 sleeping, standing and here it is curve. 4 में slant, sleeping, standing. 5, 4, 54. One more time. Sleeping, standing and curve. And here slant, sleeping, standing. 5, 4, 54. Okay students. Now without dot try करें. 5, 4, 54. One more time. 5, 4, 54. Okay students, till here we are going to complete, right? You have to complete this page right? Next time we are going to learn the next numbers. Till tab tak, goodbye, take care, and in homework you have to complete this page, right? Stay home, stay healthy.